I'm going to do a quick little bun, and I'm going to use the rosemary growth oil just to give my hair a little bit of oil. And then I'm going to just brush it. I'm not going to take the bun down because I'm just refreshing this bun, and I use the oil just to give it a little shine. Put the little excess oil on this part of my, and then I'm going to take my hair that's twisted. I'm going to start wrapping it around the bun. I'm going to use my twist, and I'm going to twist it in 2 different directions and use some pins to secure it. And then I'm going to take the other half that's twisted, and I'm going to twist it in a different direction and secure it in place like that. And use another pin to secure it. And I'm going to use some edge gel to do my edges. Palm and Honey edge gel. Just going to take my edge gel and refresh my edges on each side. And then I'm going to use my brush and just smooth it out. And that was using 2 products, our rosemary mint growth oil, because I wanted to give my hair some shine, and of course can't go wrong with a little extra growth. I use this daily. And also our Palm and Honey edge gel for my edges, because I want my edges to stay and hold all day because I'm going to work out later, so I need extra hold for today.